Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. We are back at work on a Saturday trying to make a couple bucks. We're back at this. This is our big job. It's a nice job for winter time, for mulching especially. No fire danger, and we are removing more fire danger. Today we got a little bit of a new item in the inventory. Pretty stoked on this one. Brand new 550 XPG. This is my old saw. This is just a regular XP, and the difference on these two is heated handlebars, which means this is like the Laramie Cadillac of the two. But there's extra stuff going on in this saw that is awesome. This is done up. This is another saw fresh off the press from Scarr Engineering. Super cool guy, does good work. Bought this saw brand new, went straight to him, and he did custom tuning, porting, and this thing is a ripper. Now, we had him do a 562 XPG, and this thing is pretty much just the same of a boss level as that one. This thing's a ripper. A lot of people don't understand it is very crucial to have a smaller saw like this in your inventory, because on a job like this, I run the excavator, Kubota 080. I have a mount on the cab for a chainsaw to sit all the time, and Dad does all the mulching. So we need to hop off now and again and cut down branches, you know, open up the path a little bit. Or this is an old orchard. We're going to be taking out X amount of trees. They marked a couple to stay, but we don't need a big saw for stuff like that. So these 550s, these things, they fit the bill pretty well. We used to run 346s, but they discontinued those, and 550 is a replacement. This is my saw right here. It's about a year old. 550's not a bad saw. It's a little cold-blooded out the gate. Scarr said there's some fixes to that, so gave him the brand new one to see what he can do. So I will go ahead and I will start off, cut a couple of these trees down with the old 550, and then we'll fire up this one and show you guys how well this one outperforms the stock variation of it. Alright, now we've got a mark on it. Can't cut that one. Alright, so that's the regular 550 XP. That one's not that old. It's got a couple tanks through it, but it's not that old at all. So we're going to go ahead, switch over to the new bad boy that Scarr did for us here. Same saw, just pretty much just Cadillac'd out, heated handlebars. And mind you, this one's ported, so get ready for the sound. Go back to this one. Big difference. That was my first official rip with the new saw. Demonstrated it compared to the old one, which is pretty much exact identical saw, just this one's brand new, and it has some handiwork done by our boy Scarr Engineering. Did an outstanding job on this. Does a little port action, does a little tune action. Apparently these ones you can reflash to an updated tune, which does, I mean, this is a brand new saw. It should come with updated stuff. It's got, like I said, I don't think this thing's a year old. Bought two of these identical. They both acted the same exact way. Brand new one went straight to Scarr and came out with flying colors. I will put his email and phone number in the description below, as well as at the end of the video. He does have a YouTube channel. He does custom work on, I would say this is a professional work saw, as well as race saws. He does quite a bit of professional level stuff to these saws, and this thing is absolutely outstanding. Very happy with this. These older ones, like I said earlier, it's just a little bit dog off the line until you get at least half a tank burnt through it before they actually start coming alive and doing the job. Especially in the wintertime, it's probably like 45, 50 degrees here today. Ideal conditions for running a machine, especially going through this chunk stuff, but a chainsaw should be ready to rock, fire up all the time. This one, I mean, there's things that you could say about having a saw that's tuned up and you know, it's been worked a little bit for longevity of it, but this saw is outstanding. We've gotten good we've gotten good long-term use out of the regular 550s. This is actually the fourth one that we've had since we switched from the 346s. And 346 is a great saw. Wouldn't mind getting those again, but since they're discontinued, no can do. So 550 is a replacement that we have, and once it's been done a little magic action from Scarr, it is a champ. This is the second saw that V-Belt & Son has had worked by Scarr. We did a 562 XPG Cadillac heated handlebar, just the same, little Laramie edition. I don't know where the leather seats are on this, so I'll have to ask Scarr if he removed those. But this saw is great. Love it. Great job, Scarr. Did outstanding work here. Very happy with it. If you guys want your saws tuned up by him, give him a call. He'll help you out. But I'm going to end this video here. I will show you the mount that I keep the chainsaw on the excavator. Ooh, he's getting into some thick stuff up there. There we go. This is my daily office right here. That saw sits there nice and comfortably. Put that on there before we even had the grapple on the machine. This machine is just a beast right here. It's been here for a little while, so she's a little dirty, but she's making the money. Just the same as this saw. It's getting the job done. Very happy with it. But if you hadn't seen my earlier videos, we are on like 120 some odd acre ranch these people just bought, and we are reclaiming the property along with knocking down the fire hazard around the house. We already did several acres over there and cleared the creek line up that way. They gave us a go ahead to remove all these trees around this little house. That big one's gonna stay. And then we knocked down that, well, I knocked down that little orchard. You guys watched me do that along with Dad from the drone footage. And then this fence line covering this pasture all the way out there to the neighboring pasture. So we're gonna be here for a little while, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Husqvarna is the brand of saw that we choose. We've always had great luck with it. If you're a still guy, I ain't trying to compete with you. If you want to run still, run still. As long as it makes you $1, that's all good. We've had better luck out of the Husqvarna brand. Plus, I really like the orange. Catches the eye. As always, thank you guys for watching. Hit them buttons, like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video if you want, and give Scarr a call if your chainsaw needs a little brap action. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later. Bye.